sets. So exercise 2.1 we will discuss. So before doing this first question, I will recall what is a set. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. So well-defined is the keyword here. So the elements of the set, whether it contains or not, we must have clarity whether it exists or not. So we must know. So if we know whether the elements are all the elements of that set of the collection exist or doesn't exist, based on that whether it is a set or not. Okay, first, which of the following are sets justify your answer? The collection of all the months of the letter beginning with the letter J. Actually, the collection of all the months in a year is a set. So the months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months. All these 12 months are well defined. So every year these months exist. So this is a collection of well defined objects. It is a set. Collection of months. Here the collection of all the months of a year begin with a letter J. So among all the months, I want to check whether any months are started with a letter J. So January started with the letter J, February not, March, April, May, June. So June also started with J, July also started with the letter J, August, September, October, November, December. So here the 3 months are started with the letter J. So the months are January, June, July. We know the answer exactly. So January, June, July. These 3 months are exactly. These 3 months are started with the letter J. It is well defined. Well defined. So it is a set. So the collection of these 3 months started with the letter J. So it is a well defined. So it is a set. So for example, the collection of months started with the letter Z, for example. None of the month is started with the letter Z, even though it is a set, because we know no month is started with the letter Z, so it is an empty set, but it is a set. So collection is nothing. If we are collecting the months started with the letter Z, even though, so there won't be any month, even though it is a set, it is an empty set. Okay. Next, second, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So collection of 10 writers. So we can't decide. Most talented, we can't decide. So actually, according to me, I will give 10 names. According to some other person, those 10 names may be different. Some of them may be same. So different persons having different opinions. So those are best, those are like that. So the 10 best writers we can't decide. So it is not well defined. Not well defined. So collection of well defined objects is a set. So it is not a set. It is not a set. Next, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So according to different persons, different opinions. So even world, it is not a India, it is not a particular country. So it is according to the world, different countries, persons having different opinions. Even the same country persons are also having the different opinions. So in my opinion, I will give it the 11 names. Some may give some other names. So it is not a well defined. So best won't give the exact result. So it is not well defined. So it is not a set. Next, collection of all the boys in your class. If you take your class, for example, your class containing 50 students. If your class containing 50 students, among these 50 students, 28 are girls, 22 are boys. How many boys 22. So if I ask anyone from your class, the number of boys is 22, the boys remains the same. So the order of the boys may be differ, but the 22 boys are fixed and same. It is purely well defined, so it is a set. So well defined, and it is a set. Next, collection of all even integers. So collection of all even integers, the even numbers which are divisible by 2 simply. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, these are even natural numbers. Next, even integers. So 0 is divisible by 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. So all these are even integers. So the even integers are 0, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 6. So the numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, dash, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, dash. It is well defined. So well defined collection, so it is a set. So the collection of well defined objects, so it is a set. Okay, now coming to the question number 2. So if A equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, B equal to 3, 5, 7, C equal to P, Q, R, then fill the blanks. So before filling the blanks, we need to observe what are the elements in A, B, C sets and what are the elements in the sets A containing 0, 4, 6. So A containing 4 elements, those are 0, 2, 4, 6. 0, 2, 4, 6 are elements in A. 3, 5, 7 are elements in B. C, P, Q are elements in C. So then fill the appropriate symbol belong to or not belong to. Belong to means if an element is in that set, we write belong to. If the element is not an element in that set, then we are writing not belong to. So if 3 is element in A, 3 belong to A. If 3 is not element in A, 3 not belong to A simply. So 0 dash A. So 0, I want to see the set A whether it contains 0 or not. So A set 0, 2, 4, 6. So A containing 0, so 0 belong to A. If it doesn't containing 0, if A doesn't containing 0, we are writing not belong to symbol. This symbol we must choose. Next, 3C. I want to observe the set C. C equal to P, Q, R. If we observe the set P, Q, R, so 3 is not appearing in C. So that's why 3 is not in C. So 3 does not belong to C. So does not belong symbol this one. So we write belong to and cross. So is not belong to. 3 is not in C. Next, 4B. Observe the set 4. Observe the set B. B containing 3, 5, 7. Here we need 4. Whether 4 is in B? No. So we write not belong to with this symbol. 4 not belong to B. 8 dash A. A. Observe the set A. 0, 2, 4, 6. So here it is 8. 8 is not in A. So we write not belong to A. Next, P dash C. Observe the set C. If we are observing the set C, the elements are P, Q, R. So here it is P. P is in P, Q, R. So set C. So P must belong to set C. Next, 7 dash B. So consider the set B. So in the set B, the elements are 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7 are the elements in set B. So here the elements we are checking for 7. 7 is in 3, 5, 7. So 7 is in B. That's why we write 7 belong to B. So here we are simply representing if the element is in that set, we write belong to. If the element is not in that set, we are simply taking not belong to symbol. Okay. Next, third one. Express the following statements using the symbols. So we need to express the statement with the help of symbol. First, the element X does not belong to A. So does not belong to A means it is not in A. So which element X? I am writing X. it is in A. Whether it is in A, not belong to. If it is not belong to, take not belong to symbol. X does not belong to A. Simply this one. Okay. D is an element of set B. So D is an element of set B. So it is element. So we write belong to symbol. If it is not belong to, so cross. 1 belong to set of natural numbers. What is the representation of natural numbers? Capital N. Natural numbers are denoted with capital N. So 1 N. So 1 belong to natural numbers set. We know 1. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is a natural number. So 1 belong to N. So belong to symbol. Next, 8 doesn't belong to prime number. Set of prime numbers P. So what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So 8 is not a prime number. So if we are representing prime number set with P, so I am taking element 8, set P. So not containing 8, not containing in P. So 8 not belong to P. So this is the representation. Now coming to the fourth question. State whether the following are true or false, justify. So these statements are correct or wrong. We need to judge. So first, 5 not belong to set of prime numbers. First, what are prime numbers? What are prime numbers? The numbers having only 2 factors, 1 and itself, are prime numbers. So the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 up to so on. Whether 5 is prime number, 5 has only 2 factors, 1 and 5. So 5 having only 2 factors, 5 is definitely prime number. 5 belong to prime number, but it is given 5 not belong to set of primes. So we know 5 is prime. So whatever it is given, it is false. So this is false. So if 5 belong to P, if it is given, it is correct, but it is wrong. Next, second, S equal to 5, 6, 7 implies 8 belong to S. So what are the elements in S? 5, 6, 7. So whether 8 belong to 8 is in S? No. So 8 doesn't contain in S, but it is belong to given. So 8 is not in S. So but it is given, but given 8 belong to S. So it is also false. So actually 8 is not in S. So 8 not, but given 8 belong to S. 8 doesn't belong to S. So it is false. Next, minus 5 not belong to W. What are elements in W? Whole numbers. So the least whole number is 0. The whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. So actually all positive, all natural numbers and 0 are elements in W. Minus 5, there won't be any negative number in W. So minus 5 is not in W. So the given information is correct. It is true. Next, 8 by 11 belong to Z. So what are integers? Z. 0, plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1 means plus 1 and minus 1. Plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 3 up to so on. These are the elements in Z. So these are integers. In this integer there won't be any fraction. So 8 by 11 not belong to Z, but it is given 8 by 11 belong to Z. So actually what it is given, it is wrong. So it is false. So actually 8 by 11 is a rational number. So 8 by 11 here it is given, it is integer. So it is. Fifth question, write the following in roster form. So there are two types of forms for sets, set builder form and roster form. Set builder form is the indirect way of the representation of set. Roster form is the direct way of the representation of the sets. In the roster form, the elements which appear directly. In the set builder form, indirectly appeared. So here the set B equal to x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. If we are taking the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to so on. Among all these, so which are smaller than 6? The natural numbers smaller than 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 also not smaller than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is equal to B. So B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the roster form of the this set. Next, C equal to x is a 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digits is 8. So we are collecting the 2-digit numbers. Among all these, if we are adding those 2 digits, we will get a result 8. So for example, okay, I am taking 8 0 80. 8 plus 0 equal to 8. 7 1 71. 7 plus 1 8. Next 6 2 62. So 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Next 5 3 53. 5 plus 3 8. 4 4 44. 4 plus 4 8. Next 5 3 5 35. 3 plus 5 8. Next 2 6 26. 2 plus 6 8. Next 1 7 17. 1 plus 7 8. Next 0 8. But 0 8, if we are taking 0 8 is not a 2-digit number. So we don't want to take a 0 8. So these are the numbers. These are the 2-digit numbers when the digits are added. When the 2 digits are added, the sum is equal to 8. So this is the set builder form. This is the roster form. The roster form of 2-digit numbers. So the sum of 4 digits is equal to 8, which are 80, 71, 62, 53, 44, 35, 26 and 17. Next, so D. So set D. X such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. If we are taking the divisor of 60, so 60 to 30 to 15, 3, 5. So in this, so 60 we can write prime factorization 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So prime numbers 2, 3, 5. So answer D equal to 2, 3, 5. So these are the prime factors of 60. So this is the set builder form. This is the roster form. Okay, this is the roster form. This is set builder form. Next, E equal to x such that x is an alphabet in better. So if we observe the spelling of better, B-E-T-T-E-R, we need to collect the letters. But one thing, according to the definition of the set, any element can't be written twice or thrice. So every element in a set represented only once. So E equal to the letters B, E came 2 times, but we must write only once, T and R. So actually 6 letters. Among the 6 letters, 2 are already repeated. So the letters we must write only once. Then the answer B, E, T, R. Next. So these are the set builder form to roster form. Now write the following sets in the set builder form. Here the roster forms are given. We need to write a set builder form. So 3, 6, 9, 12. Here one common property. So all these are multiples of 3. I am taking set builder form x such that x equal to 3n. N values 1, 2, 3, 4. N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. If we substitute n equal to 1, 3 into 1, 3, 2, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, 4, 3 into 4, 12. Or else I am taking x such that x equal to 3n, n belong to n values 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4, which means we are taking 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if we substitute in this n, we will get the results. Okay, next. So set builder form. So observe the property 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. In which property? 2 into 2, 4, into 2, 8, into 2, 16, into 2, 32. So which means all these we are multiplied with 2, we will get the result. So all these are multiples of 2. So if you are taking x such that x equal to 2 power n, 2 power 1 2, 2 power 2 4, 2 power 3 8. So like that. So how many n belong to n? So n 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5, or else this one is the answer, or another way x such that x equal to 2 power n. So n equal to 0 1 2 3 4, not 0, 1 2 3 4 5. We may take like this. So 5 25 125 625, all this. So if we observe 5 into 5 25 into 5 125 into 5 625. So all these are 5 powers like this. So same x equal to x such that x equal to 5 power n, n belong to n, 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. So 1 2 3 4, 5 power 1 5 square, 25 cube 125 power 4, or else x such that x equal to 5 power n, n equal to 1 2 3 4. Simply it is also correct. Next 1 4 9 16 25 up to so on 100. If we observe all these are squares. So 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 10 square 100. So power 2. So everyone. So I am taking x such that n square, n belong to n, 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 10. So starting with 1 to n, or else x such that n square, x equal to n square, x equal to n square, x such that x equal to n square, n equal to 0, not 0, 1 2 3 4 up to so on 10. So this is the required answer. Next, so this is roster form to set builder form. So actually set builder form to roster form is easier than roster form to set builder form. Okay, now write the following in roster form. We need to write these in roster form. So a equal to x such that x is a natural number greater than 50. So we need to write the natural numbers greater than 50. So the numbers greater than 50 are 51, 52, 53 up to so on, up to smaller than 100. So which natural number is smaller than 90 or 100? All these. So among all these 99 is greater. So up to 99 we should take 51, 52, 53 up to 99. So roster form is this. Next, so x square equal to 4. So x square equal to 4, x equal to plus or minus 2. If you are taking plus 2, square of 2 4, square of minus 2 is also 4. So if it is integer, we must choose plus 2 and minus 2. If the question is given, if it is natural number, we must choose only plus 2 because minus 2 is not natural number. So answer B equal to plus 2 comma minus 2. So if x is an integer, that's why I am taking 2 and minus 2. If it is given natural number, so we must take only 2, whole number only 2, rational number plus 2 and minus 2, plus and minus belong to. Okay, next D equal to x such that x is the letter of the word loyal. So we are taking the letters of the word. So observing the letters in the word loyal, L, O, Y, A, L. In this, so all whatever the time, how many times it came, we must write only once. L came 2 times, but I want to write only once. O, Y, A. So L, O, Y, A is the required answer. Next, E equal to x is that x equal to 2n square plus 1. Minus 3 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 3. So we are substituting the values. Which values? N equal to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so E equal to If we substitute minus 3 whole square, 9 into 2, 18 plus 1, 19. Minus 2 square, 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Minus 1 square, 1 into 2 plus 1, 3. Next, 0 square, 0 into 2, 0 plus 1, 1. Next, if we are substituting 1 square, 1 into 2 plus 1, 3 already. So if we substitute minus 1 or plus 1, we will get same result. Minus 2 or plus 2, we will get same result since it is square. Minus will become plus. Okay. Next, minus 3 or plus 3, we will get same result. So the elements are 19, 9, 3, 1. Actually, if we substitute the values 19, 9, 3, 1, 3, 9, 19. But already 19, 9, 3 already came. We must write only once. That's why the answer is 19, 9, 3, 1. Okay. Now, 8th question. Match the roster form with set builder form. So this roster form I want to match with a set builder form. So simple thing, I want to take right side to left side. So these are the elements. So set builder form to roster form will be easier than that. X such that X is a prime number and divisor of 6. So what are the prime divisors of 6? I want to write the divisor 2 into 3. So 2 and 3 are the prime factors. So since it is given only prime, so we must take only 2 and 3. So only 2, 3 is here. So second answer is A. Second answer is A. Next, second, X such that X is an odd natural number smaller than 10. So odd natural number smaller than 10. So if we are taking natural numbers less than 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Among these odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Is there 1, 3, 5, 7, 9? Fourth one. So fourth answer is B. So this. Next one. So X is the natural number and divisor of 6. What are the divisors of 6? 2, 3 are prime divisors. Not only this, 1 and itself are also divisors. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6. The answer is C. Next, X is the letter of the word mathematics. So if we are taking the word mathematics, I want to take the letters. So I want to represent only once. M, A, T, H, E, M already came, A already came, T also came, I, C, S. M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. So that's why the answer is the third answer. So this is the required solution. Okay. So this is the end of the first exercise.